This is what I have in my backyard, and this is what helped me to decide to live here. I love the peacefulness of the trees, the cheerfulness of the birds, and the mystery of this slope that goes so deep that I cannot see the bottom of it. Now, when I started the garden, I tried a variety of different soils. And amongst this variety, I tried the local soil. This, and I used other soil, and I actually went down and got some soil there, and it appeared to be the best soil that plants love. If you compare this tomato does this to that one. This tomato does woo! So there's a difference. But in order to get that soil, it's like climbing Mount Everest, except downwards. So instead of going upwards the mountain, we're gonna go downwards. And just warning, because it's gonna be dangerous and very life-threatening situations. So I don't know what and who we're gonna meet there and what's gonna happen. Anything can happen. So here's my bucket, and
down we go.
Now here, this rope, very important. Take a note. You need to know that the rope is here to hold you. Lifeline. Okay. We're going down.
Did you make this rope?
No. That was here. So, okay, stop number one. So this was here for a long time. I don't know for how long before. All these trees, it's a jungle here. So all those trees, they drop the leaves down. All the good stuff, the yummy stuff, goes down the slope and makes the dirt beautiful. There is a lot of this debris that kind of deteriorate and make compost naturally. So I found this shovel down here. I don't know who put it here, why. And there was some dirt that I was getting here, which is just black dirt. Nothing special, but it works for the plants. But that's not the end of it. We are going even deeper. Hold on to the rope. Stop number 2. Beware poison oak. I got it a couple times, and believe me, that was not fun at all. So stay away. So here is, I think it was like a dump for all kind of old wood, twigs, some boards, leaves, maybe leaves from the yard. Maybe the rains were washing it down here. And what it made is actually amazing compost. So I've been getting this compost here, and it's pretty nice, fluffy stuff. But get some of this, we'll go deeper. Come here. So now this is some kind of prehistoric site. This shack, this tent, when I came here first time, that's what I discovered. I have no idea who made it, what for, who lives here. Well, nobody lives here. Critters maybe ghosts. Maybe they were trying to do a little pond here, maybe not. But it accumulates water in the winter, and all these leaves again, all this organic debris keeps sliding down here, and the water washes all the nutrients that are being produced on the slope in the jungle down here. So the dirt here is soft, black, really black. It's beautiful dirt. So we're grabbing some of this. As obviously those big trees, they're feeding from here because I hit roots of trees. Smells good.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Very edible. Not for us, but for the plants, they love it. Oh, go away. Some crawler. That's enough for now. It's actually now I'll need to pull it up all the way up the mountain. Whew. I'm just taking a rest. Just take some rest. I think for today I'm gonna leave the shovel here for the next time. Well, still solid. In old times they did things a little bit more solid than now. Now it's July. Haven't been training for a long time, but this spot was really wet and full of water in winter, so the dirt is still wet, which makes it heavier, unfortunately. Alrighty. Okay. Ooh, nails. Lots of nails. Plus it's all kind of shifty here, so you really need to watch your step. This is a bad part here. Yay! We did it. So, we got maybe half a bucket of dirt, and I'm pretty aware that some people would watch that and say, she's just cuckoo, crazy, doing all that for half a bucket of dirt. Yeah, but that's kind of exciting. I'm still out of breath. It gives me exercise, so that's a plus. Excitement of going in the jungle keeps your blood going. And I have half a bucket of dirt for my next planting project.
$0, right?
$0. All sweat and, well, fortunately no blood, just sweat. And the plants will go, "Wah!" at the end. Good looking dirt, beautiful dirt, like gold.